Question number 5 is, from each corner of a square of side 4 cm, a quadrant of a circle of radius 1 cm is cut and also a circle of diameter 2 cm is cut as shown in the figure. Find the area of the remaining portion. See, 1 cm of 4 quadrant is cut and a circle of diameter 2 cm is cut. 2 cm, that means that is the radius. So area of the square is 4 cm, 4 into 4, 16 cm square. Radius of the corner circle is 1 cm. So area of quadrant will be 9 by 360 into pi into 1 into 1. So it will be pi by 4 cm square. Now radius of the center circle is 1 cm. So area of the center circle will be pi into 1 into 1, that is pi cm square. Now area of the remaining portion will be area of the square minus 4 into area of this 4 quadrant and addition of the area of this circle. So that's what I have written, and then we have solved it. 16 into 4 into area of quadrant, that means 4 into pi by 4 plus pi. So we got 16 minus 2 pi, and we will put the value of pi, that is 22 by 7, and got our answer 68 by 7 centimeter square. Now question number 6. In a circular table cover of radius 32 cm, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in the figure. See, this is the table cover and this portion is remaining left, and then the design is being done. Now we have to find the area of the design. For this, first we know that the radius of the circle is 32 cm, and now AD will be the median. AD means this position. It is A, it's B, and it's C. So AD, that will be the median of the triangle. So if the center is O, OA will be 2/3 of AD. And OA is 32 cm as it is also the radius of the circle. So from that we got AD equals to 48 cm. And for triangle ABD, AD is 48 cm. And we can put AB square equals to AD square plus BD square. Now, as it is an equilateral triangle, so AB and BC will be equal. So that's why we can write it as AB by 2, BC by 2, or AB by 2. So we put, instead of BD, that is AB by 2. So AB square plus 48 square plus AB by 2, then whole square. And after solving all these, we will get AB square equals to 3074. AB square, that means the square of one side of the triangle. And from there we can find the area of the triangle. So area of the circle will be pi into 32 square, and this will be √3 by 4 side square. Side is AB, AB square. Now we put the value of AB here, and we have find our answer, that is 22,528 by 7 minus 768 √3 centimeter square. Now question number 7. ABCD is a square of side 14 cm with center ABCD. 4 circle with center ABCD, and joining this ABCD we got a square. 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touches externally to other 2 circles. In the remaining 3 circles, now we have to find the area of the region. As distance AB is 14 cm and this circle will be equal, so it will be 7. So each circle touches externally to each other, therefore the radius of the circle will be 14 by 2, 7 cm. Now area of the shaded region will be area of the square minus 4 into area of quadrant of this circle. So the area of the square is very simple, 14 into 14, and the quadrant, that means 90 by 360, and pi r square, so 22 by 7, and 7 is the radius, so 7 into 7. And as it is 4, so we have write 4 into. Now After calculating everything, we will get 42 centimeter square. Now this is question number 8. Given figure depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. Left and right ends are semicircular. The distance between the two inner parallel line segment is 60 meter. Then find, and they are 106 centimeter long. Now the track is 10 meter wide, so we have to find the distance around the track and the area of the track. So the distance around the track means from the inner side we have to find the circumference of this inner portion. Now it will be 2 into perimeter of 2 semicircle, this portion, and then it will be AB and CD, the rectangular portion. If you cut it, it will be an rectangular shape. So the distance AB and CD, it is already said it is 106 meters, so we will put 106 instead of AB and CD, and perimeter, that is 2 pi r by 2 because semicircle. So 2 pi and r will be 30 centimeter because this distance is 60 meter. So the radius will be 30 centimeter. That's why we put 30 centimeter here, and we have got our answer, that is 2804 by 7 centimeter. And this is our distance around the track along its inner edge. Now we will found the area of the track. Area of the track will be 2 into outer circle minus inner circle, because there is two circle which is outer circle and inner circle. So 2 into area of outer circle minus area of inner circle, and then 2 into the rectangular area, this portion rectangular area. It is 106 and it is also 106, and the distance is 10. So simply you can write 106 by 106 and then 10. 2 into that portion. So we will solve everything. 2 into area of outer circle. As this much is 30, it's 30 plus 10, 40. So outer circle, radius of outer circle will be 40. That's why we have put pi into r square. It's not outer circle, it will be outer semicircle. So that's why we put divided by 2 also here. So 22 by 7 into 40 divided by 2, and 22 by 7 into 30 divided by 2. After solving all this, we have take by 2 out from the bracket, and calculate is 22 by 7 we take as common, and 40 square minus 30 square plus 2 into 106 into 10. After calculating everything, you will get 2120. And this 40 square minus 30 square is 700. 22 by 7 into 700 will be 2200. And after solving all this, you will get 4320 meter square.